Welcome to Why Would You Wednesdays, guys, episode number 7, where we show you things that are on the KAM Fam's packing list that would make other people say, why would you bring that?
Why would ya? Howdy, y'all.
In today's episode, we're going to show you something small, cheap, and easy to pack that I promise will have other people on the Lido deck saying, where'd you get that?
Sun is shining all day, sand between my toes, waves crashing on the bay, feel that warm breeze blow, no worries on my mind, just leave stress behind.
Welcome back to Why Would You Wednesday. For those of you new, I'm Mitch from the KAM Fam, and every Wednesday, 12:34, we're dropping you a cruise packing tip that we always bring with us. It's on the KAM Fam permanent packing list. Have you checked out our packing list in the comments description below? You might want to do that. But we're letting you know things we bring that others might say, why would you? And we're here to show you why it can make your cruise a whole lot better. So today's item on Why Would You Wednesday doesn't take up much space at all. And you can bring a lot of them. Different sizes. It's Ziploc bags, guys. Look at this. We got Ziploc bags inside of Ziploc bags. Now, some of you are saying, why would you bring that? Well, I got a couple big reasons, to exact, why the KAM Fam brings them. And I'm going to save the second one that I told you about on Lido. First one. Who doesn't love the cookies? And we have 3 kids that we cruise with. They love cookies. So guess what? We might put some cookies in a Ziploc bag to have back in the room later on. Now, am I taking the Ziploc bag to the buffet and dumping them in? No, I'm not crazy. We got the Ziploc bags back in the room, but it's nice to keep things fresh. Now, here's the one I know you've been waiting for, because I told you somebody's going to ask you, where'd you get that on Lido? How many of you have been to Blue Iguana before? They have the most amazing salsa bar set out. But you know what they're lacking? Chips. How do you have an extravagant salsa bar and no chips? That's where the Ziploc bag comes in. Because guess what was on late night eats the night before? Tortilla chips. You get yourself some tortilla chips, put them in the bag. The next day, you're sitting up on Lido with a bowl of salsa, snacking on some chips, and someone's going to say, where'd you get that? And you're going to let them know. The KAM Fam told me to bring a Ziploc bag so I can have these chips. Don't bring your own chips. They're there. You just got to find out where. All right, guys, that's going to wrap up this episode of Why Would You Wednesday. We want to hear from you now, so put it in the comments. Ziploc bags, is it something you bring with? Is it something you're thinking about bringing with? And if you do bring them, why do you bring them? What do you put in there? Are you in the why would you bring that crew?
Why would ya?
Again, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. We would greatly appreciate it. And we'll see you next Wednesday, 12:34 Central Standard Time. Bye, guys.
Why would you Wednesday?